Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a baking enthusiast or a cooking aficionado, a stand mixer could be the ultimate game changer in your kitchen. These powerful appliances make mixing, kneading, and whipping a breeze, giving you more time to enjoy your culinary creations. In today's video, we're diving into the best stand mixers on the market. Whether you're looking for unmatched performance, versatile features, or a model that fits your budget, there's a mixer here to suit every need. All product links are in the description below, so check those out for the latest deals and detailed specs. Let's get started and find the stand mixer that's perfect for you. Starting with number 5 on our list. Number 5. Kenmore Elite Stand Mixer. The Kenmore Ovation Stand Mixer is a high-performance kitchen appliance built for convenience, power, and versatility. Featuring a robust 500-watt motor and 10 adjustable speeds, it's designed to tackle everything from delicate whisking to kneading thick doughs. The standout innovation is its exclusive pour-through top, which allows you to add ingredients directly into the 5-quart EasyGrip glass bowl without interrupting the mixing process. This reduces mess, saves time, and keeps the process smooth, even during complex recipes. The 360 degrees removable splash guard completely seals the mixing bowl to prevent flour clouds and liquid splashes while keeping all moving parts covered, making it safer for children to participate in the kitchen. Constructed from durable stainless steel and plastic, this stand mixer is both sleek and built to last. It comes with 9 essential accessories, including a wire whisk, flat beater, dough hook, pouring shield funnel, egg separator, grater, mixing bowl lid, and the 360 degrees splash guard. A recipe book with 15 curated recipes is also included. Most attachments are dishwasher safe, excluding the wire whisk, making cleanup hassle-free. Weighing 30 pounds, the mixer stays stable during operation. Number 4. Acekool Tilt Head Stand Mixer. The Acekool MC1 stand mixer is a reliable and powerful kitchen appliance, perfect for both beginner and seasoned bakers. With a large 7.5-quart stainless steel mixing bowl featuring a convenient handle, it offers enough capacity to prepare large batches of dough, batter, or whipped cream, ideal for families and holiday baking. Powered by a 660-watt pure copper motor, this mixer handles everything from heavy bread dough to light cake batters with ease and consistency. The mixer includes 10 adjustable speed settings, allowing precision for every type of recipe. Use low speeds, 1 to 3, for kneading heavy mixtures like pizza or bread dough, medium speeds, 4 to 7, for cookie batters or salad mixes, and high speeds, 8 to 10, for whipping eggs, cream, or sauces. A tilt head design makes it easy to add ingredients and switch attachments, while 6 anti-slip silicone suction cups keep the mixer stable during use. The unit is also designed with a safety shutoff when the tilt head is raised, enhancing safe operation. Constructed with stainless steel, aluminum alloy, and durable ABS, it combines strength with sleek design. Number 3. Bosch Universal Plus Stand Mixer. The Bosch MUM6 N10UC stand mixer is a high-capacity, versatile kitchen tool built to handle both everyday baking and heavy-duty food preparation. Featuring a lightweight yet sturdy 6.5-quart BPA-free plastic bowl, it offers ample room to mix, whip, or knead large batches of ingredients. The bottom drive design allows for easy ingredient additions without removing attachments, and the dishwasher-safe bowl and removable drive shaft simplify cleanup. Equipped with dual beaters and a powerful belt-driven transmission, this mixer delivers triple whipping action for thorough, efficient mixing. Whether you're whipping a single egg white or mashing 10 pounds of potatoes, it handles the task with ease. Its powerful 500-watt motor is capable of kneading up to 15 pounds of bread dough or mixing 34 dozen cookies in one batch, making it a great fit for serious bakers or large households. The mixer includes essential accessories like wire whips, a dough hook, and a 2-piece pouring shield with a lid. It also supports a range of optional attachments that can transform it into a full kitchen machine, perfect for grinding meat, juicing, making pasta, and more. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer. The Hamilton Beach Stand Mixer is a powerful and compact tool perfect for home bakers. With a 300-watt motor, it easily handles thick batters and doughs, making it ideal for cookies, bread, and more. Its planetary mixing action ensures complete bowl coverage, allowing the beaters to rotate around the entire 3.5-quart stainless steel bowl for even, hands-free mixing. This mixer includes 3 essential attachments: a dough hook for kneading, a whisk for whipping cream or meringue, and a flat beater for mixing a variety of ingredients. Whether you're preparing cake batter or bread dough, the mixer adapts to your needs with ease. The durable stainless steel mixing bowl is spacious enough to handle large batches, while the slow fold setting reduces messy splatters when combining dry and wet ingredients. This setting is especially useful when adding flour or delicate items, helping you maintain a clean kitchen workspace. With its simple controls and versatile features, the Hamilton Beach Stand Mixer offers convenience and reliability in one compact machine. Number 1. Cuisinart Stand Mixer. This powerful 5.5-quart stand mixer is designed for those who demand both performance and precision in the kitchen. Featuring a robust 500-watt motor and durable die-cast metal construction, it's built to handle everything from delicate whisking to dense bread dough with ease. With 12 speeds at your fingertips, you have complete control for mixing, beating, folding, or kneading, ensuring consistent and professional quality results no matter the recipe. The tilt-back head design allows for convenient access to the bowl and beaters, making it easy to add ingredients or swap attachments. The polished stainless steel mixing bowl provides ample capacity for large batches, whether you're whipping cream, making cookie dough, or preparing family-sized meals. It includes essential accessories like a chef's whisk, dough hook, flat mixing paddle, and a splash guard with a pour spout to keep your counter clean and organized while mixing. What sets this mixer apart is its compatibility with optional attachments such as a pasta extruder, pasta roller, ice cream maker, meat grinder, and spiralizer, transforming it into a versatile kitchen hub. Available in a variety of stylish colors, it complements any kitchen decor. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.